Younger and novice educators and practitioners gained tremendously from the course. Many of them entered the profession during a time when the academic pressure on young children is very high, and they felt unsure about how to use play in learning. Through the course, they were able to understand why play is important for early development and how to use it in the classroom and outside the classroom. The course has served as a refresher to those practitioners who have been in the profession for longer. Even as experienced practitioners, we sometimes need reminders about why play is so important in learning. There has often been pressure from school managements to make sure that learners are able to read and write before they get into grade 1, resulting in practitioners arranging their classrooms or learning centers like mini grade 1 classrooms. This was not good. As an ECD facilitator for more than 20 years, I have interacted with many grade R practitioners facing this problem. The fun online courses has certainly assisted in removing this misconception by including leaders in the program. Together with professional learning communities, our PLCs, which were formed in this period, we see ourselves soaring to new heights.
We can all agree that we felt comfortable, supported, and motivated within our groups. A special word of gratitude goes to the team behind this program, who are always available to guide and assist us whenever we need it. Your continuous support ensured that our learning experience was enriching and meaningful. This course has provided us with practical tools to effectively incorporate play-based learning, strengthen parent involvement, and understand the development milestones of our learners. For this, we are truly grateful. Thank you.